Hello everyone, Nicholas here, your friendly neighborhood technical success manager. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the beta release of SignalWire's Call Flow Builder. Call Flow Builder is an intuitive visual scripting tool designed to reduce technical friction for entrance into the telecom and telephony spheres. Call Flow Builder equips inexperienced designers with a simple and clean drag and drop solution for introducing programmable logic into their voice calls, while offering veteran developers an environment ripe for rapid prototyping and robust iteration using SWML, the SignalWire Markup Language. To demonstrate Call Flow Builder's ease of development, follow along with me as I design and deploy a simple yet extensible interactive voice response, IVR, from scratch within a few short minutes. I'll begin by visiting the aptly named Call Flow Builder tab of my SignalWire space. Herein, I'll select Add New to generate a new call flow. Now, to devise a title, I'll name my call flow Demo. As soon as I hit Save, the Call Flow Builder canvas conveniently opens to reveal my very first module, Handle Call, the immutable starting point for every call flow within the builder. The next step is rather self-explanatory. Using the Answer Call module, my flow will automatically accept incoming calls to the SignalWire phone number that I'll later associate with this script. Now, it's time to don my role-playing cap and dive into the mind of a small business owner looking for a convenient way to route sales and support inquiries to their respective departments. Not only does the Gather Input module add switch logic to my flow, but it also bundles in a crucial text-to-speech component useful for conveying the caller's options. In addition, this module provides convenient pathways to error handling, altogether streamlining the visual cascade before me. Along with gathering caller input, I can use the Call Flow Builder to introduce voice recording logic, either to aid in quality assurance control or to provide space admins with an added tool for troubleshooting. I'll differentiate the branches by naming them sales recording and support recording. I'll leave the value of terminators blank, opting instead to end the recordings programmatically later in my flow using the Stop Call Recording module. Before advancing, and in keeping with industry standards, I'll also employ an additional play module that'll alert the caller to the fact that they are being recorded. Utilizing the forward to phone module, transferring callers to disparate departments or individual agents is a cinch. For my sales branch, I'll route calls to another phone number, a traditional PSTN number held by one of my sales representatives. Over in my support branch, I'll forward the caller to a telephony SIP endpoint using the SIP prefix. Already, you can see how SWML, SignalWire's markup language, may be used to extend the functionality of my call flow. For example, entering the SWML variable call.from in the default from field enables me to pass the caller ID of the original inbound call leg straight through to my soft phone. This will help my hypothetical support agents keep an accurate record of who's phoning in. By now, you've certainly caught wind that I employ a fictitious team of sales representatives and support agents. Returning to the sales branch of my call flow, notice how it's possible to forward the caller to a mixture of additional PSTN numbers and SIP endpoints, all within a single module. I can ring them sequentially, based on the timeout of my choosing, or even simultaneously. But what if I wanted to route a certain high-value customer to a specific account executive? Rather than forcing the customer to sit through another lengthy prompt and gather, I can introduce the conditions module to instantly forward them to their desired destination. Using the call.from variable I mentioned earlier, I can specify which number or numbers should be transferred directly to an account executive. To build on the notion that I can extend my call logic even further using SWML, I'll backtrack to the Gather Input module and the pathways for error handling that I alluded to earlier in this demo. When building an IVR, it's customary to handle unexpected caller behavior using a loop that returns said caller back to the gather. In the Call Flow Builder, I can achieve the same functionality using the decision grouping of modules. The Set Variables module allows me to create a new variable specific to this call flow in the key field. I'll name my variable Attempt, and using SWML syntax, Increment attempt by 1 whenever the gather times out or whenever there's an unknown input. Using the conditions module, I'll tell my flow to disconnect the call following 2 failed attempts to the caller. After the first failed attempt, and before returning the caller to the original gather module, I'll play a small audio file as confirmation that something went awry. Finally, I'll tie off some loose error handling nodes in my forward to phone modules using stop call recording, play TTS to apologize for the inconvenience, voicemail recording, and hang up call. Now that our call flow is complete, let's take it for a test run.
Welcome to SignalWire in seconds. For sales, press 1. For support, press 2. Welcome to SignalWire in seconds. For sales, press 1. For support, press 2. For quality assurance and future training purposes, the remainder of this phone call will be recorded. Our support team is not available at this time. We apologize for the inconvenience. Please leave a voicemail after the beep.
There you have it, a fully featured IVR built in mere minutes using SignalWire's new call flow builder. Remember, CFB is currently in beta, and all assets are subject to change before the final release. Fix your gaze on the horizon for exciting additions like AI agent integration. For more information about SWML statements and methods, be sure to visit developer.signalwire.com. And for more SignalWire in seconds, be sure to hit that subscribe button below.